This is a Yamaha YFZ 350 Banshee. We're going to put all brand new seals in. We're going to build back to OEM spec. Measure the barrels, make sure they're in tolerance. Clean them up with a little hone. And new pistons.